Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the volume and the explosion. No, it's fire and some integration effects here. Uh, you can tell this the result. It's rendered by XPU, the Karma XPU. I just want to test the Karma XPU. We can render geometry, we can render like geometry like the polygons, the volume, the fire, and also the particles here. Let's go back to Houdini. Let's see how the setup is. See, I have a grid here and translate a little bit back top. Then remesh to make become sim. Then use as fracture. We can get the fracture like this. Then volume close. It's basic volume close. Use the close to constraint tip. Volume constraint. Constraint use a weld point. We can weld the edge fraction each other. Then volume solver. This volume solver, we go back in, we use POP divided by volume. The pyro, we use this. Let's see how the pyro setup. Just basic pyro. We go like this. See, we use this pyro basic setup. Pyro to advect the volume, make the volume have this. Let's merge them together. You can tell how it looks like. See the fire and the vellum, they have collision. Let's see. I set up. I'll put the vellum animation. Then just convert VDB. File cache this. Use this to collision with this pyro, this fire. First, we use the pyro to advect the vellum, make the vellum have the smoke movement. Then we use this vellum geometry to collision with the pyro sim. You can see here we have collision, we have velocity, and pyro. We see the collision type. We can use SDF and volume velocity because we have two velocity and we have collision. Then use SDF collision way. It should be this way, not well, because we use the way here. Then we can get the volume. The volume will have the movement with this pyro. The pyro will have collision with the volume. After that I choose close and I add I choose this fast move pieces, convert to pyro, like you can see the fire, flying fire. Then it's looking like this. Okay, let's go get back in the. After that, I still have some element like this. We can use. Um, we can use I set up integration effects. You make the volume from the edge disappear like this. You can see we have the edge growth effect, the mask. I use a border disappear. Let's see how it looks. Point here. This particle. This looks like this. Then we give them a color. Yeah, it just looks like this. Okay, then we convert to line. It's like this. Two elements, particle and the line. Like this. It's quite easy. Let's get back in the log. How to we render it. You can see we have the particle here. Particle on the line here. We give the motion blur, shader. Maybe we can give them emission. Emission color here. This basic surface particle is basic material-X standard surface. Why use material-X? Because it can be supported by Gamma XPU. I'm trying to test XPU, so I use this. And I get the display color, the point color to link in the base color and the emission color. We can set a bigger emission and small. Yeah, it's quite bright now. Okay, then we go the volume pedal here. This we give them shader as well. The shader we use Pyro shader and the XPU Pyro preview shader. It's controlled by the baked volume shader here. Here, it's controlled by here. And this one is the main fire. This is our PC is fire. This is the main fire. And this one is our clothes. So we merge them together, use the comma to render. and I set up XPU render. Normally it will go this high, then we can get better results without so many noise. Yeah, that's that. So you have this integration effects. It's looking like this. It's quite fast by XPU render.